channel.
So friends, today we came up with very interesting triangle pyramid puzzle. So in the last video we solved this pyramid puzzle. This was very interesting and confusing puzzle. So we tried and managed to solve this puzzle, and there were some blocks which made us really confused. I'll put the link in the description, and also you can click on the top of your video this link, the solution of this link. So in this video we will be solving this triangle puzzle which is made from wooden ball. So this seems to be a very simpler one, but actually it is not a simple one. So this brain teaser puzzle bring you fun time for your kids, friends, and relieve your stress. So this puzzle teaches early problem solving and critical thinking skill. So this is a wooden handmade product. So friends, I am Payazi, your brain challenging game buddy. You are in the right place for your brain exercise and solve the puzzle riddle along with me. Hit the red subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss my new video. So friends, let me jumble this puzzle and start solving it. So this is the piece number 1, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I am solving with one of the kid. So let's start. Let's start with the puzzle. Okay, what should we start with? Do you know how to solve this? Can you try it?
Yeah, I also try.
Okay.
This come here.
Okay, let's try it.
This come out.
What about this tool?
How can this? No, this come here. No, it was come here.
No, this should not go outside. We have to solve this like in the previous puzzle. We solved it in a square, and this is our triangle. So we have to solve it in a triangle. This is very okay. If you need, okay, this one. No, this is somehow coming outside. Okay, right. If you put this one like this. Now this is pyramid. Oh, it's not that much easy. Do you want to try how to solve? Try it.
Yeah, yeah. This one will come.
Yeah,
Yeah.
where?
This.
No. It is going outside. No.
No, this coming there. How?
This is
How can make?
this stick one. You cannot break it. This we have 2, 4, and 2, 4, and we have 4 piece of 3 balls.
How can make?
This is just going out. This is not that much easy.
I don't know.
This one is much difficult than the previous pyramid.
How can make?
No, this 4 is there, right? Okay. Wait.
This.
Then.
Stand.
Okay.
Wait.
Uh,
Stand here.
no.
No.
This is not Wait. Put this here. Put this here. No, this is.
Now, how can make this pyramid? Wait, they are going. How can make this? Wait. I'm putting in the bananas.
Right. Wait, it is coming. No. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. No, but still, the gap is there. Why this gap is coming? There's some mistake. Okay. Give me.
Oh no.
Okay. No, it's perfect one.
This
See.
gap and gap.
Where,
and gap.
no, this is not a gap. This is some gap due to the gap between this ball.
Oh,
Okay.
this
So friends,
is
we were able to make this
good.
beautiful pyramids.
Yeah.
So hope you enjoyed this puzzle solving, and I have placed the link in the description so where you can get it for yourself. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our Payazi channel. Thank you very much. And if you want to watch this solution as well, I have placed the link for this as well.